I have a recipe for having top employee performance no matter what the job. I'll share that in this video. Hello, I'm Stephen Goldberg of Optimus Performance, bringing you practical tips and ideas on leadership, team development, and employee performance management in the workplace. I've been using this recipe for a long time with my clients, and it is simple and it works. And the first part of this recipe is having the right person in the job. That means if you're hiring or if you're promoting, you've got to make sure that you're putting the right person in the job, that they have the thinking style, that they have the behavioral traits, and the motivational interest for that job. Now, I go into depth on this in other videos. I'll put links to that. The number two things is the right training for the job. So you want to make sure that you're giving the person the right training in the right way. So that means skill development. Now, if you're already hiring somebody with advanced skills for a job, let's say a knowledge type of work, computer programming or whatever, they're bringing that skill set to the job. So you don't need to train them on that, but you need to make sure that they're staying up to date, that skill development is progressing. And that should be part of your conversation about training. But there's also the training around teamwork, there's training around your systems. So there's a lot of components for training. You got to make sure that you're delivering that and doing it well. And the third thing is the right leadership and coaching for the job. People need direction. So leadership is about communicating to people what the expectations are. And that's also part of management. Leadership and management go hand in hand. But you want to make sure that you're keeping them aligned with the vision, your vision, the company's vision, and that may shift over time. How do you reach that vision? May change because of external circumstances. So you got to be constantly communicating with people, and that's what leadership is all about. And then coaching them to be successful in the job so that they're doing the right things and they're doing it well. And that's where leaders excel, who can really bring that message and that can really engage people and communicate with them and coach them. So those are the three things. Make sure you hire the right person for the job. Make sure that you provide the right training and the right leadership and coaching. And you do that well, you're going to have top performing employees. Check out some of the other related videos. I'll put links in the description of this video to some that go along with each of the components of this recipe. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications, get news of new videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it. Thank you for listening, and we'll talk again soon.